Hi everyone! Today I got this for you. A hat full of my faves and fails for November. I hope I'm not too late because last month I did my faves and fails mid-month, 2 weeks later. Today I think I'm only 1 week late. I'm getting better. I'm very comfortable today with my makeup look because this is the kind of makeup look I do in my real life. On my channel here, I do a lot of eyeshadow looks which come out looking dramatic. My natural everyday look is a little bit subtle. I like to keep it easy, so no eyeshadow, no eyeliner today, but I do love eyeliner, but no eyeliner today, just some mascara, foundation, highlighter, blush, and something on my lips, and that's it. I really enjoy creating the looks on my channel here with the eyeshadow palette. Usually they come out looking a little dramatic, but I don't know, it just naturally happens. I'm a creative, artistic person. I wish I had time to paint, and I never get a chance to paint, but I'm happy that I'm getting a chance to express my creativity through the makeup on this channel. So with that being said, let's get started. I'll start off with the faves, then the fails, and then there's some items that I think are worth mentioning. They're not like super favorite and amazing, but they're good products. I want to start off with this Milani Ourfa kit. I recently did a video on this. This kit has this eyeshadow palette. It has this Amore Shine lip. It also came with this pencil here. This kit really surprised me because I don't hear a lot of talk about Milani's eyeshadows, and I do have Milani's eyeshadow palettes from their gilded eyeshadow palettes. I have 2 of them and I absolutely love the shimmer shades in them, but the matte shades are kind of like, I don't remember them as being impressive. But in this palette, now this is part of their most wanted, and so I'm not sure if the formula in these palettes is just different or if there's something different with this one because it was a collab with Ourfa. I should find out how to pronounce her name correctly. I'm sorry. It's O-U-R-F-A, Ourfa. The shades in this palette are so creamy, so blendable, no fallout. I had recently received a Natasha Denona palette in my BoxyCharm, and I really love that. That was the Peak palette. It's not in my favorites because I still want to explore it a little bit more. It went on really smoothly on my eyes, but I felt like as soon as I made a mistake, it was a little bit hard to blend it and try to clean it up. But I did not have that problem with this palette. I really like it. And then the lip is also really good. It goes on very smoothly on your lips. And it has a good grip on your lips. So I would imagine that it would be a nice, it should have a long wear power. And then the lip liners, I do hear a lot of people talking about how good and nice and creamy they are, so that was good. So really love this kit, so if it's still available, I would highly recommend getting it if you like these colors. I thought there was another one with different shades, but I'm not 100% sure. Something else that I had received in my BoxyCharm was this Cursh waterproof mascara. This one's really good. This is a milk mascara. First of all, the wand is huge. I love how this blue matches the whole decor going on here today. What I like about this mascara is that it's a little bit different from the other mascaras that I have. I am wearing the mascara right now, so let me try to bring you closer. It just gives your eyes a very soft, feathery look. It's definitely not gonna give you super dramatic lashes. It's not like super thickening and super lengthening, but I just really like that very soft, feathery look that it created on my lashes. So if you're looking for a nice mascara that gives you a very soft, feathery looking lashes, maybe you want to change it up a little bit, then this one is a good one. Now, I don't know if this one is just expiring and that's why it's giving me that look. I hope not, because I just got it, so it shouldn't be expiring. And then I'm looking through my hat. And another thing I have on my face right now that's one of my favorites is a recent discovery, Kosi Professionals Lip Veneer. I don't have any video on this, but I'm wearing it right now. It's just very smooth on the lips, and I've done a wear test on this and it lasts a long time. It's very hard to find shiny lip products that stay on your lips for a long time. So it's thick and creamy enough that it goes on your lips very nice and smooth. And it has good enough grip that it lasts a long time. And this is an affordable brand, so I was quite surprised. Okay, so I have two more favorites. One is on Black Friday, I got this blush from Becca. I did a little Becca haul. I do have a video on that, and this blush is called Flower Child. It's a mineral blush, and I love it. I'm wearing it right now, and right now this is my favorite blush. It has a very subtle glow. It's not crazy glow. I feel like Milani's baked blushes, they can be a little too glowy. This one just has a very subtle glow. It goes on smoothly, evenly. It's a really nice product. The last favorite that I recently discovered is this MAC Patent Paint Lip Lacquer. This one is in the shade Eternal Sunshine. Whew, it looks beautiful on the lips. It's super stunning. It's not creamy. It almost has this watery feel to it, and it just goes on the lips absolutely beautiful. I've not done a wear test on this, so I'm not sure how long it's gonna last. It just looks really beautiful, and this color is a good one for the holidays that are coming up. Then I have two fails of this month. I got this mascara in my Ipsy bag by Eyeko. It's Rock Out and Lash Out mascara. It was just a really bad mascara. I'm not sure if it was just this packaging that was bad, or if it's bad because it's a mini and something went wrong. But you can see in my Ipsy bag video last month, it's very liquidy, and it really does nothing to your eyelashes. So yeah. Oh, I forgot about this. Sorry. This is one of my favorite palettes from November. This is by Colourpop, and I just thought this was the cutest palette ever. I think it's really cute. It's the Star Wars, the Mandalorian, and super dirty because I've been using it. It just has these really nice green shades in it. It's a good green shade palette. There's some pastels here, this green one and this one. And I've created two looks with this. One is on my Instagram at Lipstick on More, which is a darker look. And then on my channel here, I created a more light and bright look, which you could use for the holidays. The formula in this palette was really nice. Sometimes with Colourpop palettes, especially the Ornate one of the shades was kind of weird. It was too creamy. And a new palette that I got from them, from their holiday collection, there are some shades that I'm struggling with a little bit. But this palette, I don't remember any of the shades being odd. It's a good formula palette, super cute, and nice color story. Sorry, that was a little bit out of order. But yeah, so going back to this mascara, no good. I did not like it at all. It did nothing to my lashes. It was really watery and just kept bringing the lashes together and looking really liquidy. And then my other fails for last month was these e.l.f. putty plushes. These e.l.f. putty blushes. They were just, I don't know what to do with these. They're not pigmented. Like, it's very hard to get them on your cheeks and create a nice look with them. It's bad. I'm sorry. This is one of their new releases. I'm not sure what they were trying to do. Maybe they were trying to put out like a cream blush, but Milani's cream blush is much better. This one is just not pigmented enough, and I don't think it lasts very long either. I keep trying it out over and over again, hoping that maybe I'm doing something wrong and maybe it could look good. I've tried putting it on like 3 times already, and it's just, I'm not enjoying this product at all. Next part of the video, which is items worth mentioning, Milani's cream blush. This is a Cheek Kiss Cream Blush. So it's supposed to be for your lips too, but I wouldn't recommend it for your lips because it comes off pretty easily from your lips. But it's really good for your cheeks. You can easily apply them with a brush or your hands. No problem at all. They are super pigmented actually. So you actually want to go with a very light hand when you apply it on your cheeks and don't go in too much with your brush. But if you do end up going too much with your brush, they're really blendable so that you can actually clean that up and make them a little bit subtle if you've gone with too much product on your cheeks. Another item by Milani that I think is really worth mentioning is this Ludicrous Matte Lip Crayon. If you're looking for a matte lipstick that lasts long on your lips, then this is a really good one. It's a good one. You put it on in the morning, you can have your breakfast, your coffee, and it will last you all the way to lunchtime. Here is this Revlon Color Stay Ultimate Suede. This one is a good one for masks because it is a color stay lipstick. Now when you apply it initially, it actually looks very creamy and soft on your lips. It's kind of strange. You have to wait like 20 minutes for it to actually dry down and become a color stay lipstick. So if you put this on and you put your mask on right away, it might actually rub off on your mask. But 20 minutes later, it just transforms into a color stay lipstick where it's dried down. So I just like this one because it's more of a sheer color stay lipstick. Whereas most color stay lipsticks, they are very thick and they coat your lips a lot. And this one is more of a sheer one, which I think it's a really interesting product. The products that I mentioned in this video, if I already have a YouTube video on them, I will leave the links down below in the description. If I had to choose my favorites out of the favorites that I mentioned in the video, I would say, ooh. As much as I love this, it's not, I know I'm probably not gonna use it that much. But this one, Red Lip, I am a huge fan of red lips. I wear them all the time, even in the office. I really love them. And so this one is just, it's stunning. It's really beautiful on the lips. That's it for my November fails, faves, worth mentioning. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button. Leave me some comments. What were some products that you really enjoyed in November, or even recently? And which ones did you come across that you were like, what is this? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye!